Welcome. Today's meditation is inspired by Florence Scovel Shinn's The Game of Life and How to Play It. In this session, you'll connect with the wisdom already within you, activate your power to manifest, and align with the path that brings you peace, purpose, and abundance. Let yourself be fully present. This is your time to let go and open your divine guidance. Find a comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, take a slow deep breath in, and gently exhale. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded and more centered, as if all distractions are fading away. Allow yourself to settle into this moment, open to receiving clarity and peace. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it briefly, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your lungs expand with each inhale. With every breath, allow yourself to become more and more relaxed. As you continue to breathe, feel each inhale grounding you, calming every part of you. Let go of any tension in your shoulders, your neck, your face. Relax the muscles around you, around your eyes and mouth, letting any stress melt away. Breathe deeply, allowing each breath to anchor you in a state of deep relaxation and peace. Now imagine yourself standing at the top of a beautiful staircase. The air is warm, comforting, and inviting. As you place your hand on the railing, you feel a deep sense of calm wash over you. With each step down, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation, as if you were letting go of all your burdens. At the bottom of the staircase, you notice a golden mirror glowing softly. As you approach, you see a reflection of yourself. This is your highest, most aligned self. This is the version that radiates harmony, abundance, and confidence. Notice the peace in their eyes, the calm in their expression. Take a moment to appreciate this reflection. This is the essence of who you truly are. Free from fear, fully connected to your purpose. Step closer and allow yourself to merge with this image, feeling your mind, body, and spirit align as one. Now fully united with your highest self, see yourself surrounded by a golden light. A light that represents divine wisdom, love, and joy. Let it wrap around you, filling you with peace and purpose. Imagine this light coming from your heart, spreading warmth through every part of you. In this space, feel a deep sense of trust building within. Trust that this life is unfolding for you in perfect ways. You are safe, protected, and supported in every moment. Take a deep breath and embrace this truth. letting it sink into every cell of your body. Now that you're in this space of calm and alignment, let's affirm some powerful truths together. Repeat each phrase, allowing it to resonate deeply. I am guided by wisdom in all that I do. I trust in the process of life, knowing I'm always exactly where I need to be. Unexpected doors open for me, bringing opportunities that serve my highest good. I release all resistance and welcome abundance. I am harmonious, poised, and magnetic. I attract my desires with ease. Divine love surrounds and protects me, dissolving every fear and worry. As you say each affirmation, imagine it as a warm light filling your entire being. Let these words take root within you, aligning you with the flow of divine guidance and abundance. Breathe in deeply, letting the truth of these words settle into your heart. Now bring to mind an image of yourself moving through your daily life. Imagine yourself navigating each moment with this newfound sense of peace and confidence, grounded in the knowledge that you are divinely supported. Picture yourself making decisions with ease, each step guided by higher wisdom. See those around you, noticing the calm and assurance you radiate. They're drawn to this peaceful energy, sensing something special within you. You feel deeply connected to your purpose, knowing that you are fully supported by the universe. Every action, no matter how small, aligns with your larger plan for the highest good. Visualize this version of yourself moving forward with ease, joy, and purpose. Begin to bring awareness back to your body, taking slow, gentle breaths. Move your fingers and toes. Feel the surface beneath you. And take a deep, refreshing breath as you return to the present moment. Know that this calm, aligned energy will stay with you throughout the day. Trust that this state of peace and clarity is always accessible to you. Remember, like in a game, every move is guided and aligned with your highest purpose. You are exactly where you need to be, and life is unfolding perfectly for your journey. As you prepare to open your eyes, carry within you the renewed sense of trust, openness, and a heart ready to receive all the abundance, love, and joy the universe has in store. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed and empowered. Thank you for sharing this time with yourself, for choosing to realign with your highest path. Remember, each day is an opportunity to design your life from within, guided by your own inner wisdom and the love that surrounds you. Trust in the journey, for every step you take brings you closer to the life you're meant to live. You are the creator of your reality. Move forward with peace, purpose, and knowing that you are supported in all that you desire. Until next time, keep designing the life that calls you.